Hi guys and welcome back. Here I have the sizing. I will scroll down. I told you before what the width of 25 or 50, 75, 100 and auto. I will copy this part and paste it for here. Paste. Reload. Here I have the 25, the 50, the 75 and 100% and finally auto. This background color we have here, so we can separate between them. We do not have 23 or 21, just 25, 50, 75 and auto. And 100. Here I have the height. I have the height of 25, 50, 75 and 100 and auto. I will paste this here when I reload. Here I have 4 heights. I have 25, I have 50, I have 75, I have 100 and I have the auto. I do not have 23 or 21 or anything like that. I just have this. Okay, then I have the maximum width and the maximum height. We don't need this part, but I will make it. Here I have this image. Let's get a small image from here. Small image. This is okay, I think. Okay, copy image address. Just paste it here. Paste. Reload. Here I have this with a maximum width of 100%. Here let's make it 25. So here I got this. Okay, great. Then here I have the maximum height of 100. We don't need to test this part. The minimum width of this one, I can copy this and try it for the image. If the image is okay, it will work with this part. So here I have this different now. Because the minimum width is 100% for the width. This stands for 100% of the width. Great, because you know the width is different from the height. I will copy this part, paste it. Let's try to make this the height, minimum height of this. So here I have the minimum height of 100% for the height of the screen. It will be different from inside a screen because the VH stands for the height of the screen and VW stands for the width of the screen. It will be different for a smaller or larger screen. I will tell you how, because I need to tell you. Here I have the same 100% but for this screen. Here I have the same for this screen, the 100% of the width for this screen. And here I have the same 100%. When I make it like this, I have the same 100% for this screen, for the height and the width here. Okay, then I have here, if I want to make the width of 100% without the minimum or the maximum. But it is okay, I like the minimum and the maximum to make the website easily responsive. The spacing, if I want to add a space, I told you the margin and the top before. This, I use T for the margin top or padding top, and here I use a P for the bottom. We have used before the right, the left, or anything you want, which is MR or PR or anything like that. The sizes we have here from the 0 to 5, or I can make it auto. And this for X for the classes to set the both, the left or the left and the right. The examples, I don't need this part. We have tested before all of this. Here I have the text. The text alignment, we did this before, we don't need it. This text should wrap. Okay, we don't need this part. We have tested the wrap before. No wrap. Okay, the word break, I can copy this part. Here I can break for the 100% of the page. Okay, I don't need this part. I can copy this and paste. Okay, then I have here I have the text transform. We know the difference between them. We can just keep this to be uppercase. Okay. I have all of this in a capital and uppercase. When I make it capitalize, capitalize. Okay. Here I have this. Just the first letter here will be in the uppercase. Here I have the font weight or italics. If I want to make it bold or anything I want, I have all of this here. I can just copy and paste. Paste. Here I have this to be bold and this to be bolder with a font weight of normal. Font weight of bolder. Okay, and this to be normal. This to be light. This to be lighter. This to be italic, and this to be normal. Then I have the line height. If I want to add a line height, the line height of 1, just 1, and this to be line height small, this to be page, and this to be large. So here I have a difference between the line height here and here, and here. I can copy this part. So now I have all of that. This is the basics. This is the smaller, the medium, and finally the large one. Sorry, this is 1. This for the 1. This for the small. 1, small, page, large. Okay. Then I have the monospace. Monospace, as you can see here. This is the monospace. Change the selection to our monospace font stack. Okay, then here I have a distance between this text and this text. This is in monospace. I have a space here. The reset color. The text muted. When I click here, nothing happens because we have the href of nothing. The reset link. If I want to inherit any color, I add it here. So here I have this color. The color is inherited. Okay. Here I have the text decoration. We have tested this before, we don't need to test it again. The vertical align. Here I have the vertical align. And we have tested this before, I think, but it is okay to make it again. I can paste it here. Reload. Here I have this baseline and this tab, middle bottom, text tab, and finally text bottom. And here I have the line tab, which is this one, the tab, the baseline, this one, the bottom, this one, the text tab, this, finally the text bottom, this one. Great. Now I have with the table cells. When I copy this part, I have the table. Let's make it from the beginning. The baseline, which is a line baseline, I have this in the page. The top is at the top here, the top of the height. The middle, it is in the middle. The bottom, you can find it here at the bottom of the height. The text top is always at the top, and the text bottom is here. Great. Now I have the last thing, which is the visibility. We don't need it, the visibility of. I can copy this part and paste it. When I reload, I have just this because the visibility into visible, but the second one, the visibility into hidden, so I cannot see it. Now we are done with all of that because you know we have nothing here to say. The extend and the about, nothing to explain here. Okay, I'm gonna click on the migration to v5. We don't need all of that. They are the same. Great. In the next section you can find the second project we will build in this course, and then we will move to the website we will create. So good luck and have fun.